What's good with y'all, man? You see it, don't you? I know you do, man. Hey! Dante Young, TC Fitness, and Boxing Negative in the same box. How did this happen? I know how this happened. Now, what I'm about to show y'all is going to shock you just a little bit. This is gonna be a short video, man. I'm gonna just start doing these short videos. When I start seeing stuff, I can just put a little short video, you know what I'm saying? So y'all can see. A lot of y'all can't see. Let me help y'all. Now, what TC Fitness did, bro. Dante Young caught it. He caught it. If you look at Dante Young's eyes after TC said this, I'm like, whoa, yeah, you know. You know exactly what I'm talking about. He see it. Even though Dante Young is misleading the people, bro. Look, Dante, I've been watching your videos, bro. I haven't got to you yet, but I'm gonna get to you. Even though he's doing it, but he's knowing Boxing Negative is also doing it. He noticed TC Fitness is also doing it, but what he's doing is collabing with them to do what? Why? Even though he knows they misleading the people, why is he collabing with them, y'all? It's for views. It's for views. That's all this is for, bro. They trying to make money. That's all this is about. But on the low, Dante Young knows. Three separate entities that they worship. They don't worship the same God. It's different God. Look, I'm about to show y'all something. Watch this.
Because it reminds me of something. When this coronavirus really helped a lot of people raise their vibrations because people been stuck in the house. People ain't have nothing to do. People be trapped in the house really and need to connect now. You know what I'm saying? Because people get depressed when they're alone too much or trapped too much. Now they're looking for answers or looking for things to up their vibration, to up their life. You know what I'm saying?
This
year has really helped us. People need that, bro.
This is what we gotta have, right? I'm gonna manifest this. One day in life, we gonna meet up. I'm gonna talk. Look, we gonna meet up.
Hey, now look. Look. TC Fitness is trying to orchestrate, trying to be a leader, bro. TC Fitness, you know damn well you're not a leader, man. Don't even try to be a leader, bro. Don't even do it. Your vibe is off. You can't do it, bro. Facts. Now, while trying to be a leader, he's trying to get all them to manifest. Right? Now watch. Peep this.
You, Dante, whoever else, we gonna meet up, right? We're gonna have a solid meditation session, bro. Because the power of meditation is too powerful. It's too powerful. So I want to manifest that in the reality
of
meditation.
Now, y'all see what I just saw? Now, Boxing Negative, he agreed. His head said yes. If you look at Dante Young, his head don't even budge. Why? I'm gonna rewind that one more time so I can see what I'm talking about.
Up their vibration, to up their life. You know what I'm saying?
This
year has really helped us. People need that, bro.
This is what we gotta have, right?
Look, watch. What's Dante Young?
One day in life, we gonna meet up. I'm gonna talk. Look, we gonna meet up. You, Dante, whoever else. We gonna meet up, right? We're gonna have a solid meditation session, bro. Because the power of meditation is too powerful. It's too powerful. So I want to manifest that in the reality meditation.
Y'all see that? Look, bro. Look, I'm gonna tell y'all why Dante Young did not respond. Cause he knows TC Fitness, he don't even worship God at all. So who's he manifesting to? Right? Who? What God is it? It's an unknown God. Bossy Negative. He's lighting fat incense, big old chunky incense, the size of a baseball bat.
Old sage right now. This.
What God's he worshiping? It's a whole different God. It's not the same God TC Fitness worship because he don't even burn thick incense. None of them burn incense inside of a baseball bat except Boxing Negative. So, Boxing plus TC Fitness and Dante Young, they worship 3 different unknown gods. I just dropped a gem on y'all. So, how can TC Fitness talk about meditating? How? When y'all worship 3 different gods, you can't become one at all. It's impossible. How do you become one by worshiping 3 different gods, TC Fitness? I know what you tried to do, but it didn't work. It ain't gonna work. That's why after Dr. Young did never respond, look at Boxing Negative shaking, look, scratching his head, and he interrupted your conversation, what you tried to tell us. Why? About manifestation. Look, as Boxing Plus interrupted him, look at TC Fitness's face. He was still talking. Look at his face. He was still talking while Boxing Negative interrupted him. Why? Look, TC Fitness, I know you want to be a leader of these 2, but it's not going to happen, bro. Your knowledge. Look, first of all, bro. Bro, you got to go pick some books up. You got to do something, bro. You have to do something. These 2 individuals are not going to follow you. I'm sorry. Your views without them is nothing, and they know it. It's nothing without them. What is you talking about? Try to get both of them to manifestation with you? They not finna fall for that. Your views is nothing without them. Even though it shouldn't be about the views, it should be about the knowledge. And they know you ain't got that. Both of them. This is the end of this video. I'm just trying to get y'all to look, bro. I'm trying to get y'all to understand that these are false prophets. Holla at your boy. Like, share, subscribe, and I'm out, y'all.